10 million visitors. That's the staggering number of people who flocked to Santa Monica last year. Drawn by the promise of sun, sand, and that quintessential California cool, they come from all corners of the globe. They come to bask in the golden rays, to surf the Pacific waves, and to experience the vibrant beach culture that Santa Monica is famous for. But scratch beneath the surface, and you'll find a city grappling with its identity. It's a place where the glittering facade often hides deeper, more complex issues. The Santa Monica of today is a study in contrasts, a city where opulence and struggle coexist side by side. Here, multi-million-dollar condos cast long shadows over struggling artists and aging surfers, creating a stark juxtaposition that defines the city's landscape. What the hell happened? How did this iconic beach town find itself at such a crossroads? Look, I'm not here to sugarcoat things. The reality is Santa Monica, like many other places, is facing significant challenges. The forces of gentrification have swept through the city, transforming neighborhoods and displacing longtime residents. New developments rise where old buildings once stood, altering the city's character. And then there's the ever-present threat of climate change. Rising sea levels and coastal erosion are not just distant concerns, they are immediate threats that Santa Monica must contend with. The relentless churn of the tourism industry also leaves its mark. While it brings economic benefits, it also strains local resources and infrastructure. But amidst the uncertainty, there's a resilience here, a spirit of community that refuses to be extinguished. Local initiatives and community events showcase the determination of residents to preserve the soul of their city. In the face of adversity, Santa Monica's residents are innovating and adapting. Local entrepreneurs and creatives are finding new ways to thrive, embodying a spirit of reinvention that refuses to die. This is a city that, despite its challenges, continues to evolve and inspire. Santa Monica wasn't built for this. It wasn't built for the relentless surge of people, the constant buzz of activity that now defines its streets and shores. Not for this level of hype, this unending stream of visitors who come to experience the myth of Santa Monica. This constant influx of humanity, each person adding to the ever-growing tapestry of the city, yet also diluting its essence. It was a beach town, a refuge for dreamers and misfits, a place where artists found inspiration and surfers caught the perfect wave. Now it's a brand, a commodity to be packaged and sold. The quaint charm has been replaced by commercial glitz, the soul of the city traded for profit. Don't get me wrong, there's still beauty here. The sunsets are still breathtaking, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. The Pacific Ocean doesn't discriminate. Its waves continue to kiss the shore, indifferent to the changes on land. But the soul of the city, that's a different story. The street performers and artists still add color, but the underlying vibe has shifted. The locals, the ones who remember when the pier was rickety and the streets were lined with dive bars, they'll tell you, something's been lost. The authenticity, the raw charm, it's fading. Priced out, pushed aside, they're watching their city transform into something they barely recognize. The quaint neighborhoods are giving way to upscale developments, the old haunts replaced by chic boutiques. And the tourists? They keep on coming, oblivious to the undercurrent of unease. They see the polished exterior, the curated experience, not the struggle beneath. For the longtime residents, it's a bittersweet existence. They hold on to memories of a simpler time, even as they navigate the complexities of the present. Santa Monica's sands are shifting, both literally and metaphorically. The tides of change are inevitable, but the question remains, what will be left when the waves recede? In the end, Santa Monica is a city of contrasts. It's a place where the past and present collide, where dreams are both made and shattered, and through it all, the ocean remains, a constant amidst the chaos. The shifting sands of Santa Monica tell a story of transformation, of loss and resilience. It's a story that's still being written, one wave at a time. Let's talk brass tacks. Santa Monica is facing some serious issues. Housing costs are through the roof, pushing out the very people who give this place its character. Traffic is a nightmare, the air thick with exhaust fumes. And then there's the environment. Rising sea levels, coastal erosion, nature's sending a message, and it's not a love letter. The city council, they're trying. New regulations, sustainability initiatives, they're throwing everything they've got at the problem. But is it enough? Can you legislate away the pressures of progress? I don't have the answers. But I know one thing, ignoring the problem won't make it go away. But hey, it's not all doom and gloom. Santa Monica's got fight left in her yet. Walk down Main Street on any given day and you'll see it. The independent businesses, the street vendors hawking their wares, the artists showcasing their work. There's a creative energy here, a refusal to conform. Yeah, the rents are high, the competition is fierce, but that just seems to make people hustle harder. Pop-up shops, underground art shows, guerrilla gardening. Santa Monica's always finding new ways to express itself. It's messy, it's chaotic, it's beautiful. Section 5. A beacon of hope. The Santa Monica Pier. Revitalization. The Santa Monica Pier has always been a beacon of joy and entertainment, a place where memories are made and cherished. But over the years, it has faced its share of challenges, from natural wear and tear to the changing tides of time. And then there's the pier, a place where the past meets the present, where history and modernity coexist in a delicate balance. It's more than just wooden planks and amusement rides. It's a living, breathing entity that holds the spirit of Santa Monica, that iconic symbol of Santa Monica, battered but not broken. The pier has weathered storms, both literal and metaphorical, standing tall as a testament to the resilience of the community. They've been working on it, restoring the old carousel, a piece of history that brings joy to both young and old. The carousel's vibrant colors and nostalgic tunes are a reminder of simpler times, sprucing up the amusement park, adding new attractions while keeping the old favorites. The roller coasters and Ferris wheels stand as symbols of fun and excitement, drawing visitors from near and far, trying to find that balance between preserving the past and embracing the future. It's a delicate dance, one that requires careful planning and a deep understanding of what makes the pier special. I took a walk out there the other night, families laughing, couples holding hands, children running with ice cream cones. The pier was alive with the sounds of joy and the sights of togetherness, the smell of salt air and popcorn. It was nice, hopeful even. The food stands offering a variety of treats from cotton candy to hot dogs, added to the festive atmosphere. Maybe, just maybe, they're onto something. The revitalization project seems to be breathing new life into the pier, making it a place where people can come together and create new memories. Maybe this revitalization project is about more than just fresh paint and new lights. It's about community, about preserving a piece of history while making it relevant for future generations. Maybe it's a symbol of Santa Monica's own resilience, a reminder that no matter what challenges come our way, we can overcome them and emerge stronger, together. The pier stands as a beacon of hope, a testament to the enduring spirit of Santa Monica. Section 6. So, what's the deal with Santa Monica? Look, I'm just a cook who travels a lot. I've seen my share of cities on the rise and cities on the decline. Santa Monica? It's a tough one to pin down. It's flawed, it's contradictory, it's beautiful in spite of itself. It's a city grappling with its own success, trying to find a way forward without losing its soul. Will it succeed? Who knows? But one thing's for sure, Santa Monica's story is far from over. Section 7. Stay in the loop. Stay informed. This ain't a travelogue, folks. This is a snapshot, a glimpse into a city in flux. To really understand Santa Monica, you gotta dig deeper. Read the local news. Talk to the people who live here. Get your hands dirty. Don't just be a tourist. Be a witness. Section 8. What's your take on Santa Monica's future? Me, I'm an observer. I like to sit back, take it all in, and let the story unfold. But you've got a voice. What do you think about Santa Monica's challenges? What are your hopes for its future? Let's hear it. Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Let's keep the conversation going.